Venice, and today we're doing legs, so we're starting off with squats. And if you guys don't know, this is Emily. Say hello. And this is Amanda. I'll put their channels down below, but we're gonna do a full leg workout today and we'll take you guys through it. Here she is. If you guys watching don't know, Marie's a total beast. Repping this out like it's nothing. How was your workout?
Really good.
What'd you guys hit?
Chest and delts.
This is Emily's boyfriend, Brandon.
Hello.
He says hello. Didn't I see you guys do back too?
Superman workout. No, we did not do back.
Oh, I thought I saw you on the rope. We're gonna take some pics on the green wall. Oh, I see. Obviously. The infamous green wall. Alright, so we are at, why is my face in focus? Okay, we are at the Firehouse, is that what it's called? Yes, the Firehouse restaurant and bar, right by Venice. We are going to grab a bite to eat. They have lots of like bodybuilder stuff. They have a bodybuilder menu. And I'm probably gonna get a salad. We just ordered Diet Cokes. So nice to, yeah, super hungry. I know. Alright, so I got one single buckwheat chocolate chip pancake. Drew got 3.
And
What?
so I was walking around Venice with.
Go down.
And he's using real syrup. So I got the Thai salad, and it's just mixed greens with spinach, chicken, hard-boiled egg, bean sprouts, tomatoes, rice noodles, and this is peanut dressing on the side.
Digging it out of the ground right now. It takes time.
Hey guys, so we just checked into our Airbnb, which is my preferred method of travel personally. But this place is really awesome. I'll show you guys the outside tomorrow, but I figured I would give you a little tour of the inside because it's really cute. But here is where you walk in, the front door. So this is what you see when you walk in. The cute boy in the bed doesn't come with it, unfortunately. That's mine. But you walk in, and here's the living room. Super cute decorations and everything. This is the kitchen. Comes with all the like dishes and everything. A gas stove, which is super nice. Super nice fridge, microwave, coffee maker, everything you need. This is why Airbnb is awesome, because it's like your own little house. And then in here is the bathroom. Hello, this is me. Yeah, pretty cute. I like that painting. Even better one is right here. Like a boss. Big ass TV. And then in here is the bedroom. These are like sliding doors, so you can close them if you want. Just a bedroom. Cute, babe. Weirdo. And giant mirror. Do you guys like my new beanie? It's from Love Your Melon. And yeah. Pretty cute, right? So right now it is, what time is it, babe? Like 5:20?
Yeah.
It's about 5:20, so like 7:20 our time. But it's 5:20 and we are going to shower because we didn't shower after the gym yet. And we're a little damp from walking in the rain, but we're gonna shower, get our lives together, and figure out what to do. We have some macros to play with, and we want to see what's around here. So maybe some dessert, or I don't know. Okay, we are headed out to get a bite to eat. Do I have something on my nose? No. We're headed out to get a bite to eat. I am wearing some leggings and Birkenstocks and a chambray shirt. Got my Free People backpack purse thing. So I ended up at Venice Cucina, which is a little Italian place right by where we're staying, and they brought bread and oil, obviously, and we ordered a pizza, and this place is really cute. It's just cozy, which is what we needed after a busy day of traveling. So we're gonna eat some carbs now. Pizza is here. It is, what's on it all? Sausage, fresh mozzarella, and basil, right?
Yep.
Looks delicious. So this is all we got since we ate kind of a late lunch, but we definitely plan on getting dessert as well, so here we go. This is honestly like stupidly delicious. That's pistachio and chocolate gelato to share. And there's cheesecake on the way. And Nutella cheesecake because fat kids at heart.